Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Microsoft account that owns Office. This ties your license to the reinstall process. Once done, find any product key or proof of purchase if you used a one-time license. Make sure Windows Update is current so activation services work smoothly. Next, sign into account. Microsoft. Com to view installed devices and licenses because removing old device entries can prevent activation conflicts when you reinstall Office on this PC. You now download the correct Office installer from your account page and select the edition tied to your license. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it as administrator so setup can update system files without permission errors. During installation, choose the default settings unless you need custom install paths. This ensures all shared components register correctly. After the install completes, open Word or Excel to trigger activation because Office will validate your license against Microsoft's activation servers at first launch. You finish by signing into any Office app with the same Microsoft account to activate. Activation links the product to this device and unlocks features. Then run Office Update to get security and compatibility fixes. And if apps behave oddly, use programs modify quick repair, then online repair if issues persist, because repairs re-register components. If activation still fails, use the built-in activation troubleshooter or contact Microsoft support. Keep purchase receipts handy so you can prove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.